Receiving Thai massage makes you feel relaxed both mind and body because Thai massage provides a deep relaxation benefits as well as healing, energizing, and increasing flexibility in the muscles and joints. You should receive all of these benefits experiences in one session, even though you are receiving only a 30-minute Thai massage. Most people seek Thai massage when their body ache, sore, have stiff joints, tight muscles, and pain such as lower back pain and shoulder pain. And many people receive Thai massage as health maintenance methods. Often, people admitted that Thai massage helped them better than some other conventional therapies. Each Thai massage therapist have different skills and techniques, and for yourself as a Thai massage receiver, you should try the massage from different massage therapists and see which one will work better for you. And it is hard to find a good Thai massage, as we know, and it is also very hard to find a massage therapist who is good at both giving Thai massage for relaxation and also Thai massage for healing therapy as well. So sometimes you will need to receive Thai massage from more than one therapist because some therapists are good at giving Thai massage for health and well-being, and some other massage therapists may be good at giving Thai massage to relieve tightness in your shoulder and back, or even be able to treat some chronic pains or minor pain. And also some other therapists also could be good at giving vigorous Thai massage if you like that kind. If you are receiving Thai massage for health and well-being and for maintaining health, you should receive Thai massage every 4 to 6 weeks. Usually people who benefit from Thai massage every 3 to 4 weeks are people who exercise or work out or being active regularly. This group of people often use Thai massage to relieve their ache and pain that caused by lactic acid that has built up after their intense workout or exercise. And other group of people who could receive Thai massage every 4 to 6 weeks are people who usually work at their work but not having enough time to go exercise. This group of people, they could use Thai massage for their health maintenance. Many people say that Thai massage help to keep them alive at the same time that they could still go to work hard as they usually do at their regular work. Thai massage provides great benefits to people who have minor alignments such as plantar fasciitis, muscle stiffness and pain, and also strained muscles. However, not every Thai massage therapist can perform this kind of therapy, so you need to find a therapist who have trained or have long experiences in practicing Thai massage to relieve minor alignments. If you have this kind of pain, you should receive Thai massage for healing purpose every couple days or every week for a few weeks. Depending on your health situation and concerns. Then extending the visit to every 5 to 6 weeks until you feel better. Some health issues that Thai massage alone could help or could heal that are lower back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, and strained muscles. However, you will be healed even faster if you also receive acupuncture treatment and also chiropractic adjustment if it needed. On the other hand, some other issue such as plantar fasciitis, you would need to do stretching exercises and also avoid repeating the same routines that cause pain in the heel of the foot. There are many reasons that people receive Thai massage. Some people look for Thai massage to relieve their pain, stiffness, increase the flexibility, or relieve stress. Some people receive Thai massage because it is a suggestion by their family members that they had experience of receiving good Thai massage. That's why they receive their family members to receive one as well when needed. And some people have to receive Thai massage because they receive a gift certificate from someone, and also some people just curious to know why do other people enjoy Thai massage. Also, some people prefer rigorous massage someday, and they could prefer a more comfortable one in some other time. Usually people think that general massage supposed to make them feel relaxed and fall asleep. For Thai massage, they could offer that kind of treatment as well. Depends on the skill of massage therapist, and also depends on communication between you and the massage therapist. The communication means that if you state that okay, you don't have any pain or discomfort, and you have a bad day today and you just want to feel comfortable today, so massage therapist will adjust the pressure level and technique to help you achieve the goal of the treatment that you are looking for. There are so many kind of massage modality out there, and they are different. They offer different benefits. So you need to look for the one that will work best for you. And also communication between you and massage therapist, that the most important. It is referred to both before the session and also during the session, but not counting after the session, because after the session it doesn't do anything, because massage therapist cannot go back and fix the problem because the session is already done. So the best way is just to let your massage therapist know before the massage start, and also during the session. Every massage therapist would like all of their clients to get the best benefit from each treatment. So that's the truth. So before your Thai massage session, you need to know about your body as well. If you are feeling fine, you don't have any concern, not feeling pain or discomfort, which generally massage therapist can feel it in your muscles, and she will adjust the pressure level from there. But sometimes it could mislead, just because of she doesn't know your normal routine that you normally do. Either if you are athlete, or if you usually not move your body much, it could, your muscle could respond in similar way, which is mean that if you are a let's say if you are a cyclist, the muscle in your thigh is usually tight. But same true as the other group of people who usually sit a lot, they could have tightness in their quads, in their thigh, and also in the hamstring as well. So if the massage is painful, you should speak up and let your massage therapist know, so she can adjust the pressure from there. And if you are stiff, feeling tight, feeling uncomfortable, feeling heavy in your body, you should expect the good hurt feeling during the session. This means that it's kind of hurt, but it feels good at the same time. And if it feels so, and if you don't say anything during the session, your body could experience soreness after the session, a few hours after the session, or up to a few days. Often people don't know that they have knot in their body until the massage therapist is working on the area, because the massage therapist could feel that, and when she feels so, she would pay attention on that area, which is means spend or both, spend more time on the area and also apply more pressure, or could be light pressure if she could feel the injury usually in the ligament. Also, some people don't know if the hurting feeling that they are experiencing is good or bad. So if so, it should be up to your decision then, to either just speak up or hold on to it. I would say speak up. But again, if you didn't speak, I will probably have to learn from it that in the future, next time that you get massage or you get Thai massage, you will know what you need to do after that. Thai massage involves light to firm pressure on muscles and incorporates with either light or vigorous stretching. The expectation after your Thai massage treatment is varies depending on each person. Some people feel good both during receiving the treatment and also after the treatment they still feel good. But some people feel good when they are receiving Thai massage treatment, but their body sore the next day after the treatment. Soreness after receiving Thai massage usually causes by a few factors, both from massage therapist part and also from receiver's part. From Thai massage therapist part, it could be because of the therapist apply too much pressure on the muscles or performs too vigorous stretches to joints and muscles during the treatment. However, if you have healthy body, which it means that you have strong muscles and joints, or not having lactic acid build up in the muscles prior to the time you are receiving the massage, the soreness usually will not happen. Too much pressure to muscles and too vigorous stretches to the muscles and joints on normal to weak muscles or weak joints causes soreness after the treatment. The soreness usually happens the next day after the massage, and it could last a few days or about a week. The soreness happens because the muscles and joints are not used to these new movements and pressures to the muscle and joints. And for those who have lactic acid buildup, usually in the thigh, this group of people are likely to experience soreness in the thigh because the massage works to relax the muscle, to release the lactic acid and to allow the blood to flow better. Anyone who experiences soreness after their Thai massage often say that their body feel less stiff, less pain, and feel lighter in overall. And the good feeling usually lasts up to 2 weeks. During the session, client usually reports good hurt, which it means it hurts in the area during the massage, but they also feel good at the same time. If you just want to receive a comfortable massage entire session, or you prefer no soreness after the session, If so, you need to keep telling the massage therapist to adjust the pressure level to the level that you enjoyed it, or to the level that you think that works better for you. Please note that each part of the body prefers different pressure level. That is because you use your body in different routines. For example, if the majority time of your day, each day is sitting on a chair, then you could have tightness both in the thigh and also the back part of the upper leg, or on the hamstring areas. Or you could have weak muscles in your lower back if you have history of some kind of surgeries, or after C-section in some women. This is why you need to keep telling the massage therapist to adjust the pressure level. Please also note that every massage therapist would like all of their clients to receive the best massage treatment from them, so in each session. So please do let your massage therapist know how you are feeling during the session. If you receive a good Thai massage, the good feeling usually lasts between a few hours up to 2 weeks or longer. Practice Thai massage, bring health and healing to the community. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a healthy day. สวัสดีค่ะ